Lisa Hype says she wasn't pregnant, she was just tricking the crowd. Stick around, full breakdown of the story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everybody's out there being good and being productive. So let's talk about Lisa Hype. For at least the last 6 months, me I go say. I don't know exact, but we know more than 6 months, right? We've been under the impression say Lisa Hype is pregnant. But yesterday, we see that video start circle online. Me I go show another video. Make sure you talk for yourself, because me don't want to say what she don't say. So listen to the video and hear what she say and understand for yourself. Then we are going to discuss it. Here goes.
I'm not pregnant. I was tricking you guys. Trick me did that trick. You no no joke. You can't take a joke. Look how much time them trick me. Trick me what they and all tell me say Shorty a call me. And make me talk to Shorty and another Shorty. So me can't trick you no one time. The one time me trick you no one come kill me. One time me trick you no one come kill me. You don't go here, you don't get tricked. Figure you know all adi in it. All adi get tricked, you know. All adi get tricked to rascal. Adi say my godfather. The whole of they get tricked. Every single body get tricked. All the media get tricked too. Yeah man, that's how me do it, man.
Well, she said she tricked the crowd. So if I saw it go, me, I definitely want a person and will get tricked. Because I was under the impression that she pregnant. She looked pregnant and everything. You see me see her on live multiple times. I make videos about her and she seems pregnant. You know what I mean? But she said she never pregnant and I tricked the crowd. So me don't know what go on. You see what I say? Maybe this is a trick saying she not pregnant. We don't know. To some people it might not matter, but if you don't know Dancehall IG channel, you know what I mean? I cover lots of birthdays and births, artists having kids and them kind of thing. They are artists, children, birthday and them kind of something. You know what I mean? Some good positive vibes. You see me? So Lisa did definitely dip on the radar. I post her in our community section and say, you know what I mean, she's going to be a mom soon and congrats and things. So, we will see. You can see why me I cover this, right? However, now, you know what I mean, as a man, me now go get into some of the story them when me see some people attack. You see me? Me I go mention them and telling you what people are say, but me, myself, now go get involved and say certain things, you know what I mean? And, you know what I mean, me now go say certain things towards Lisa or about Lisa. So, you know, most of the comment them we are see is comment like these where people are saying that, you know what I mean, she dashed with the pitney, so to speak. You see me? But I see some other comments but before me say that though, I don't know though, if it was like a big child like that, like it was that old, if the belly was that old, can it even be aborted or so? I don't know. Females gonna help me out with this and put in the comment section. You see what I say? Me not gonna get into that too much like I said, people. But just I tell you now when me see the comment name, and mostly that me I see. But more I want to clarify that for the rest of us in the comment section. Alright? So we see some other comment. Me see one person say, or maybe she just lost it because she was drinking and smoking. Now throughout the whole at least 6 month period of me I talk about, that was a big debate with people that talk about why she still a drink and smoke while she pregnant. Now that's up to Lisa, and enough other people do that while them drink and smoke while them pregnant. You know what I mean? However, I mean, common sense wise, we don't think that's a healthy choice to do. We all know the dangers of drinking and smoking, especially when a female is pregnant. So, you know what I mean? People attack that. Now, I see another comment where somebody say, Lisa Hype is pregnant. That's the reason why you don't see her out in the streets with the other artist who is on the pink rhythm. Last Tuesday when all the females were on the beach performing, when the angel said, Lisa Hype, my friend, no worry yourself. You don't have to stay in and hide because you know your baby father. So make them go and talk. Them did a talk when me did pregnant too. And me still carry my son. Big up Marco Dean. Then the angel sing Lisa Hype song, Smile, where she have on the pink rhythm. make Lisa move. The angel done talk already. So that person is still convinced Lisa pregnant, right? Say Lisa does a front one time she come and say she never pregnant because the angel talk it and say she pregnant. Now people, the main thing me want to focus on, me want to ask this question. If you are a Lisa type of fan or not, because I know if you're a fan, you cheer for her and a cheer for her pregnancy. You know what I mean? I listen to her music and thing. And I was like, you know, it's a good thing for she say, yeah, she a go give birth and thing. She pregnant and thing. You see what I mean? I say, sorry. And me that cheer for her. But with this now, me kind of conflicted because I don't know what to say, like, you know, is it that is a stunt? If it's a stunt, is it a good one? Is it a bad one? This is going to hurt her career. This is going to actually make she, you know what I mean, achieve what she had tried to achieve. Was it a joke? What it is? You see what I mean? I say, we don't know. But one thing, I want to go into the comment section and tell me one thing. Like, remember, you know, a stunt around the place, you know, so some people are pull some stunt, forget what them, then call it marketing. You see what I mean? I say, I don't know those Jamaican do it. Remember, say, you have all kind of rapper do all kind of madness. You see what I mean? I say, forget their attention and it work for them. So, I mean, some of them harmless, but I mean, one like this, I don't know if it's harmless to us or whatever. Definitely, you know what I mean, you know, want be the boy who cry wolf. You don't know that story there, right? You see what I mean? I say, because people will just not gonna believe you none at all, because this is like a major thing. You see what I mean? I say, pregnancy and rare. But however it go, you know what I mean, it's up to Lisa. She must know what she had do. You know what I mean? If it turn out that she's pregnant and she still gonna have the baby or she have the baby already, congratulations on that. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. I hope you have a safe delivery, or if you have it already, hope you had a safe delivery, right? But if it really turn out say she not pregnant and the whole time would they say you're pregnant, I don't know where your career will go after this. So I mean, I say, I don't know. I don't know if it will help our music or what. I don't know. But I'll be here to make videos about it and talk about it for you. You see what I mean? I say. So, more want to get in the comment section, give me full opinion on this matter and the video what she said. She said even Vybz Kartel get tricked. So, you know Vybz Kartel and she have some kind of communication understanding or whatever. She was just on Vybz Kartel album. The Dance of Divas were released the other day, so some line of communication did it. And if him didn't know and him a shout her out, when him shout her out a couple months ago, him say, you know, I would have baby mother, my godfather. So him shout her out and she say even him get tricked. So I don't know, people. I don't know exactly what to say about it, so I want to hear for no opinion on it. So just get in the comment section and tell us what you feel about Lisa saying that she was not pregnant, right? So that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe for daily updates. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and thank you for keeping on, you know. So have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.